Hello guys, it's me, Rainbow Dash here, and yes, we are back with a brand new video. I'm going to show you the sound comparisons on the game consoles. So, here we go. First up, we have the 2013 Super Slam PlayStation 3. You can see it sounds like a little car. Starting. Okay? Now we're gonna let it run for 3 hours. Next, the Wii U. So, let me unplug the TV real quick. You can see that one also sounds like a little car. Okay. Okay, now for the last console, the Wii. It sounds a little silent on the Wii. Like the Wii sounds silent whenever it's trying to update, like whenever it's trying to like start up and stuff like that. All you just hear is the disc, and then it just stops. So that's your sound. So that's the sound of the Wii. But yeah, that's the evolution. And then of course you all know what the Xbox 360 sounds like, because the Xbox 360 sounds ding ding. It sounds like ding. And it almost sounds a little bit like almost sounds like the PlayStation 3 Super Slim. This is the Xbox 360 Super Slim. So, I hope that y'all like this video. Please give it a like. If you don't know if your friends does not know what a Super Slim PlayStation 3 or Wii U or Wii sounds like, share this video with your friends. And make sure you give a like on this video, and make sure you give us a like, and make sure you comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe. Alright, talk to you guys later. Peace.